Hello, and welcome back to Easy English Conversations. It's wonderful to have you here today.
Hey everyone, we're so happy you've joined us. Let's learn something tasty and useful.
I'm Alina.
And I'm Jordan. On this channel, we practice English by talking about fun, everyday topics.
Today's topic is a delicious one. We're going to learn how to talk about your favorite food in English. Everyone has a favorite food, so this is a perfect conversation starter.
We'll learn simple words to describe taste, texture, and why you love a certain dish. We'll keep everything easy and clear.
If you're new here, you're in the right place. Please help us grow by subscribing to Easy English Conversations. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. This way, you get all our new lessons, and it gives us the energy to make more.
All right, let's dig in. Alina, let's start with the big question. What's your all-time favorite food?
That's a great starter question. My absolute favorite is lasagna. It's an Italian pasta dish with layers of pasta, cheese, meat sauce, and more cheese. I love it.
Lasagna is a great choice. My favorite food is sushi. It's a Japanese dish with special rice, raw fish, vegetables, and seaweed.
Excellent. So we both named our favorite foods. The basic way to say it is, my favorite food is, or I love.
Now, we can't just say the name. People will ask why, so we need words to describe it.
Let's start with taste. How does the food taste? Savory or salty, like chips, soup, meat. Sweet, like cake, fruit, chocolate. Sour, like lemon, vinegar. Bitter, like dark chocolate, coffee. Spicy or hot, like chili peppers, curry.
You can combine them. You can say, it's a little sweet and a little sour, or it's savory and a bit spicy.
Next, texture. How does the food feel in your mouth? Crispy or crunchy, like crackers, fried chicken skin. Soft, like bread, mashed potatoes. Creamy, like yogurt, smooth soup. Chewy, like a steak, gummy candy. Juicy, like a ripe peach, a good burger.
So for my sushi, I can say, I love the soft texture of the rice and the fresh, smooth taste of the fish. Sometimes it's a little salty from the soy sauce.
Perfect. For my lasagna, I can say, I love it because it's so hearty and savory. It has layers of soft pasta, creamy cheese, and a rich meat sauce. The top is crispy and golden.
See? Now we have great descriptions. You can also talk about the smell. It smells amazing, or it has a wonderful aroma.
Now, let's talk about when and where you eat it. This makes the story better.
You can say, it's my comfort food, food that makes you feel happy and safe.
I always eat it on my birthday. My grandmother makes the best lasagna. I love to eat sushi with my friends on the weekend.
Let's learn how to ask someone about their favorite food. You can ask, what's your favorite food? What do you like to eat the most? If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? This is a fun, difficult question.
And if you don't know the name of the food in English, you can describe it. It's a soup from my country with noodles, chicken, and herbs. We can probably guess it's chicken noodle soup.
Let's practice some full sentences. We'll say them and you repeat. My favorite food is pizza because it's cheesy and delicious.
I really love chocolate ice cream. It's sweet, cold, and creamy.
My mom's chicken soup is the best. It's warm, savory, and makes me feel better.
Now, let's have a short conversation. I'll ask you more about your favorite food, Jordan.
Okay, go ahead.
So, Jordan, you said you love sushi. What's your favorite kind of sushi?
My favorite is called salmon nigiri. It's a small piece of rice with a slice of fresh salmon on top. It's very simple.
That sounds good. Where do you like to eat it?
There's a small restaurant near my house. I go there with my brother. We sit at the counter and watch the chef make it. It's always fresh.
Nice. Now you ask me about lasagna.
Sure. Alina, is there a special way you like your lasagna?
Yes, I love it with lots of ricotta cheese and a thick meat sauce. And it must be hot when it comes out of the oven. The cheese on top should be bubbling.
I'm getting hungry. This is a fun conversation.
It is. Now we want to ask you, our audience, to practice. Pause the video and think about your answers.
Question 1. What is your favorite food? Say the name.
Question 2. Describe its taste. Is it sweet, salty, sour, spicy, or savory?
Question 3. Describe its texture. Is it crispy, soft, creamy, or chewy?
Question 4. When do you usually eat this food? Who makes it the best?
Think about your answers. Now, some people might not like your favorite food. That's okay. You can say, I know it's not for everyone, but I really like it.
And if you want to try something, you can say, you should try it sometime, or it's worth a try.
Let's learn a few more useful phrases. I have a sweet tooth. This means you really like sweet foods. I'm a picky eater. This means you are careful and don't like many foods. I'll try anything once. This means you are brave and will try new foods.
Talking about food is a wonderful way to connect with people. It's a universal topic. Everyone eats.
We've covered the main things: naming your food, describing taste and texture, and talking about the memory or place connected to it.
You now have all the simple words you need to have a great conversation about food.
If your stomach is rumbling after this lesson, we understand.
If you enjoyed this tasty lesson, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other learners find us.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Conversations. Click subscribe and the bell. Your subscription is the secret ingredient that helps us cook up new lessons every week.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food? Describe it using the words from today.
Keep practicing. Maybe tonight, describe your dinner in English. Bon appetit. That's French for enjoy your meal.
Goodbye for now and happy eating.
Bye, everyone.